Hey Kiki. Next. I thought I wanna have it inside again. What are you doing? You can't eat the net. Hello? Hey Boukje. Yveske. The snow is melting and the ground is still hard. So it's wet. Yuck. Hey Yveske. Hey. And behind is Blomke. Ta-da! That's it. Well, I hope you could see something. That's one and there. I think she likes it. Yeah, Sally? And I like it. She's looking that good. I mean, last year she was a bit skinny here, and now she's okay. So I hope she stays this way. Daisy, and Peach, and Glendy. Hi there. Saly. And Rijntje. And I have to tell you something about Dolly.
Yes, you.
Because a couple of weeks ago, I sold her. Yes. It was a hard decision, but I think it's better for me and for the horses, because I can't give them all attention. Yeah, sorry. But and a lot of other reasons. But I think Dolly is the best to sell at this moment, because I don't want to sell the 3B or Yvke or Saly or Rijntje or the others. So I thought I have to sell Dolly. I don't like it. And maybe tomorrow they pick her up. And I think Rijntje is done with her. But she is more than 6 months old, 6.5, I think. So she's old enough to live on her own. And I can say she stays with 3 or 4 other fillies. So that's okay. And later I show you more, because I don't know yet if she's going tomorrow. So again, we shall see.